If you want to go to India from the US on business class using your credit card points, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Anisha from MyCC Moves, and today I'm going to share with you how to fly to India on business class using credit card points. I have done this recently myself, so I'm very excited to share this tutorial with you. Today, we are taking the example of a nonstop flight from San Francisco to New Delhi on Air India. If you are interested in more routes from San Francisco, then stay tuned until the end because I have a very sweet surprise for you. Now let's get into it. Here are the 5 steps that you will need to follow to do this booking. Your first step is to create your free loyalty account with Air Canada's Aeroplan program. Now, why Air Canada if you're flying Air India, you might ask? Air Canada, same as Air India, is a member of the airline alliance called Star Alliance. We'll be using Air Canada's website to book this flight for 3 reasons. Number 1, being a Star Alliance member, Air Canada lists some partner awards on its website, so that's great for us. Reason number 2, many common credit card points here in the US can be easily transferred to Air Canada's Aeroplan program, whereas it's difficult to do that for Air India's loyalty program. Finally, number 3, Air Canada has a fixed pricing for these award tickets, so that takes the guesswork out of the equation. Step number 2, after logging into your account, you will start searching your award availability for your dates. We are searching for a one-way fare from San Francisco to New Delhi on Friday, December 6, 2024. Make sure you check this box, Book with Aeroplan, to see the points pricing for this flight. Step number 3. After you hit the search button, you want to look for the non-stop flight operated by Air India. This flight will be 90,000 points plus 77 Canadian dollars. Now, if you don't see your dates for this route, that means this award ticket is sold out. You can then start to play around with the date to find availability for the next best date that works for you. Remember, being flexible is the key for booking award tickets. Step 4. Now that you've found the award availability, you need to fund your Aeroplan account with these 90,000 points. How do you do that? Here are some of the common credit card points that transfer to Air Canada's Aeroplan. American Express membership reward points, Capital One points, Chase Ultimate reward points, and Bill points. All of these transfer directly one-to-one to Air Canada's Aeroplan. Unless there is a transfer bonus running, in which case you get a little bit of a bonus when you transfer these points out. I highly recommend not depending on this transfer to be instant. Having done this a few times myself, I've had mixed experiences with Air Canada's Aeroplan points transfers. So to be safe, always assume that this will take up to 24 hours. I also recommend that you keep checking your Aeroplan account every hour or so, and when the points are posted, you're ready to book your flight. Step number 5 is really the best part, booking that award ticket. Remember that you will owe some cash in taxes and fees, in this case 77 Canadian dollars, that you should aim to pay with the credit card that earns you the highest multiplier on flight bookings. I use the American Express Platinum credit card for this. Wait, before you go, let me share that surprise with you. If you are flying SFO to Delhi, SFO to Mumbai, or SFO to Bangalore, pay attention to the type of plane that you're flying by clicking on this details box here. If you see the plane type as Boeing 777-200LR, then you're in for a treat because you will get to experience the new business class on the planes that Air India has leased from Delta Airlines. This is how it looks. Also note that there's usually only one business class award ticket available on these routes. So if you're flying with the plus one, you will have to book separate dates, or if you want to fly together, you will have to book economy fares. Thank you for watching until the end. I have dropped all the important links in the description for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more tips and tricks for booking travel with credit card points, please consider subscribing to MyCC Moves. Happy travels.